That's part of the reason I was excited to have Upverter in the training this year, because you go from sort of this academic kind of understanding to where you suddenly have to pick up a wrench and know what the heck you're doing. My name's Tom Dewey, and I am a mentor and coach on a FIRST Robotics competition team 2839. I teach here at Escondido Charter High School in Escondido, California. I found out through FIRST there was this opportunity this year to get connected with Upverter, and since we weren't spending a lot of time handling tools, we decided to incorporate Upverter into the overall class. A few of them have started kind of playing around with it, and then a few of them, they're excited because they all want to build a t-shirt cannon. So we think we're going to incorporate the trigger mechanism in the t-shirt cannon. We're probably going to develop a circuit for that. What robotics does is it really gets people going. I know for certain students, they really want to learn how to do more printed circuits. And that's part of the reason I was excited to have Upverter in the training this year, because they really literally got to build a robot from the ground up. They had to assemble all the wheels, they had to hook up the electronics, then they had to program the electronics. They got to see everything. I believe Stanford's freshman engineering project is to build a working robot, and if your robot doesn't work, you fail. So I just, if one of my students wants to go to Stanford, well, they better have taken this course.